Marana is a town in Pima County, Arizona, United States, located northwest of Tucson, with a small portion in Pinal County. According to the 2020 census, the population of the town is 51,908. Marana is located in the Sonoran Desert, approximately 80 miles south of Phoenix and 80 miles north of the Mexico border. It is 2,389 feet above sea level. The mild weather allows for year-round outdoor activities from hiking, cycling, and golf to relaxing poolside. Marana is a vibrant community with lots of things to see and do, as well as an ancient history. Archaeologists know that people have lived here in the Santa Cruz River Valley for at least 12,000 years. With a history of farming and ranching, today Marana is known for its beautiful desert setting, amazing climate, and unparalleled recreational opportunities. You can expect typical Sonoran desert climate during your stay. As a unique crossroads of culture, industry, and innovation, Marana claims a rich and diverse history. Documented inhabitation of the region extends back over 13,000 years, when Native American tribes lived in the area. The Santa Cruz Valley was a haven for diverse peoples for millennia, with its abundant resources. Most important, the Santa Cruz River supplied the area with that most vital of southwestern resources: water. Indeed, the elixir of life would come to define much of Marana's history, as agriculture took root as the foundational local industry. With the advent of the Southern Pacific Railroad, more and more families began to move to the region, but it wasn't until the latter half of the 20th century that Marana began to modernize, again, in response to water. In 1977, with water resources becoming more sought after, Marana's founders decided to incorporate their 10-square-mile town to protect their right to water. Since then, a veritable boom has taken place. Now with more than 51,000 residents and 126 square miles of incorporated area, Marana is one of the most economically progressive communities in the region, and the future continues to look bright. Your support to this channel will be appreciated. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.